just finished up our morning bodyboarding session. It was a little bit small. The swell hasn't come in yet, but it's going to be bigger tomorrow. I used the opportunity to practice on my DK, my spins. Yeah, it was a fun session. We did our video analysis, and I've got the rest of the afternoon off to myself now. So I thought I'd show you around the Bali Bodyboarding Villa, the accommodation that I'm staying at. Again, so I'm staying at Bali Bodyboarding. They have a villa, and I think one of the things that keeps bringing me back and what makes it really easy to hang out here is how well kitted out this villa is. So let's just go have a look around. Check this place out. Wow. So first thing you notice is that the villa opens up into a really nice open outdoor pool. This is shared with all the guests, and yeah, one of the things you'll notice when you start bodyboarding in Bali is that the water and the air temp is really warm. So it is so nice coming back after a long morning surf sesh to, you know, finish the video analysis and jump in that. It's wonderful. You've got your living room area here, and this is where we all pretty much hang out when we watch our video analysis on that TV there. We've got a fully stocked fridge of all sorts of little treats. Snickers, Coke, Bintang, plenty and plenty of Bintang. So you pretty much just eat and drink all the snacks that you want, and you can tally it up here on this little scoreboard and just pay at the end of the camp. So it's really nice and handy. We've also got breakfast, all you can eat cornflakes, milk. You don't want a massive hot breakfast before you surf anyway, so it's good to just stay nice and light. Oh, come this way, you gotta check this out. So this villa also has its own bodyboard shop built into the garage. I think it's the finishing touches. The finishing touches on this villa, the little details that give it this very particular charm. I really like it. Cork bodyboard, wall art, love it. Little basketball hoop for a bit of fun. Dartboard on a mullet board. Plenty of branding and paraphernalia here. Doesn't have Willy POV on this board, but next time I'll bring my stickers and fix that right quick. Little schnoodle for the party goers if you partake. Up the stairs we go to the second level. This is a 2-story villa. Table tennis table waiting for some action. We've got washing lines out here, so as soon as we get back from the surf we can just hang out all our stuff and get things nice and dry, ready for the session the next day. Here is where Willy is staying. How nice is this? Got a wall fan, you've got an air conditioner, very important in Bali. Bottom line of this room is that it's nice and comfortable. Got a little coffee table here. This is where I keep all my tech, and basically when I come back I download all my videos that I got on my camera onto this computer here. So you got a little bit of a workspace for you techie folks here if you want to edit videos or just organize your clips after each session, which I definitely do. Ensuite bathroom, very nice. Oh, yeah, it's just comfortable and clean. When we go out for a boog in the morning, there are some staff that come out to the villa and they actually make up your rooms and tidy up a bit. So you're never doing it rough. It is very comfortable and nice. What else could I show you? Oh, check this out. Around the corner we go, up the stairs. Check this out. Bird's eye view of North Kuta. Oh man, so if you haven't guessed, I really like this villa and I just really like this camp.